Hey there, all you fabulous retirees! Looking to make the most out of your golden years? Well, I've got just the thing to help you unlock your future. Hit that link in the description below for a special offer that'll make your retirement sweeter than grandma's apple pie. Now let's dive into the best apps for retirement investing. Whether you're a tech-savvy senior or just getting your feet wet, these apps have got you covered. And trust me, they're easier to use than figuring out how to program that darn VCR. First up, we have Acorns. This app is perfect for those who want to invest without even thinking about it. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change. So, the next time you buy a cup of coffee, you're also investing in your future. How cool is that? Next on the list is Betterment. Now, Betterment is like having a financial advisor in your pocket. This app offers personalized retirement plans and even manages your investments for you. Plus, it's got this nifty feature called Retire Guide, which helps you plan for different retirement scenarios. It's like having a crystal ball for your finances. Moving on, let's talk about Personal Capital. This app is a powerhouse when it comes to tracking your investments. It pulls together all your accounts into one place, giving you a clear picture of your financial health. And the best part? It's got a retirement planner that shows you how likely you are to hit your retirement goals. Think of it as your financial guardian angel. All right, now for something a bit more fun, Stash. This app is perfect for those who want to learn while they invest. Stash offers tons of educational content and lets you invest in things you care about, like tech companies or green energy. It's like going back to school, but without the boring homework. Last but not least, we have Fidelity. This app is great if you're looking for a more traditional approach to retirement investing. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options and has excellent customer support. Plus, they've been around for ages, so you know they've got their stuff together. All right, folks, that's it for today. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer. And remember, the best time to start investing in your future is now. Let's make those golden years truly golden. Thanks for watching and happy investing.